One has to remember that every failure can be a stepping stone to something better. I've only had 2 rules. Do all you can and do it the best you can. It's the only way you ever get that feeling of accomplishing something. I just say the moral out of my life is don't quit at age 65. Maybe your boat hasn't come in yet. Mine hadn't. I think a dream is just a suggestion to start something out, do something. There's no reason to be the richest man in the cemetery. You can't do any business from there. Feed the poor and get rich, or feed the rich and get poor. The hard way builds solidly a foundation of confidence that cannot be swept away.
Work is the basis of living. I'll never retire. A man'll rust out quicker than he'll wear out.
You got to like your work. You have got to like what you are doing. Hard work beats all the tonics and vitamins in the world. People are just like farm equipment. They rust out quicker than they wear out.
The easy way is efficacious and speedy. The hard way arduous and long. But, as the clock ticks, the easy way becomes harder and the hard way becomes easier. And as the calendar records the years, it becomes increasingly evident that the easy way rests hazardously upon shifting sands, whereas the hard way builds solidly a foundation of confidence that cannot be swept away.